Yeah, much better. I feel when you're playing for a side and you're playing in front of the home crowd, it's amazing because before obviously I played Comilla and never played in Comilla. So to play in front of Sylhet supporters in Sylhet, it is amazing. And to put a performance in like today was a very important game and we had to win. So I'm just happy that I performed for the team and we won.
When you went to the crease, were you a bit surprised to see the offie in the 19th over?
No, I had a feeling because he had ball 3, so I was thinking maybe they're waiting when I go in to bowl off spinner. But I was obviously more than happy off spinner coming on, or any spinner coming on in that situation, because I have no choice but to take him down. And I tried, and today was my day.
Yeah. On your bowling coming after the 15th over and spinning big, was it satisfying to see wicket spinning big at the underlights?
Yeah, I knew he was going to spin big anyway because Imad Wasim spun a couple nice and Nasir also spun, so I feel like I'm probably a slightly bigger spinner than them guys, so my job as a spinner is to spin the ball, and it was a good wicket for bowling spin on, so yeah, it was good. It was a nice surface to bowl on.
My personal note. You played for the CSK, Chennai Super Kings. You shared the dressing room with lots of players. What's the difference between CSK's dressing room and other franchises' dressing room?
Like any dressing room, when you have senior players, world-class players, you learn from them, you give your input, and there's not much difference. You try and be the same person in every dressing room. But I'm here to learn still. I'm 38, but I can learn still of the younger players and senior players. Playing in Bangladesh is not easy, so I come here all the time to try and learn about batting in these conditions. So the difference is there's always a little bit of difference in every changing room, whether it's CSK, RCB, any dressing room in the UK. But you just try and be the best person you can.
Moina, how do you rate young Ariful's batting tonight?
Very good. I really enjoyed watching him bat. On debut, he's got nice technique. He's fit. He's good. He's got a good attitude. But the hardest thing is to back that up in the next match now. But he's willing to learn. I think he's a good player. He's a very good player.
And what was about the catch of Ethan Brooks? I mean, the catch he took.
Yeah, amazing catch. He was the only person on that field who was going to take that catch. He's a brilliant fielder. He's a very good cricketer. I think he's the crowd favourite. They absolutely love him there, and he's still, this is his first franchise, and he's shown he can perform, because it's not easy, like I said, to come to Bangladesh first time to come and play. The wickets here are not so easy, and I thought today he played nicely, and his fielding is amazing. So, as an English player, I'm proud of him, and I'm proud of that he represents, county cricket, English cricket, the way he does, because to have that sort of fielder is amazing.
Was there any confusion about the catch? I mean, the authenticity, maybe he went to the
outside
ground. Yeah.
There is some sort of rule, I think, but I don't know if all the leagues have that same rule. So I wasn't sure also. So I think as long as you take the ball inside, I think it's okay. So yeah, it's a good catch, amazing catch.
I have heard you have sent Ethan to Sylhet. So you were supposed to come here first, but you couldn't. So you have sent Ethan. Can you tell us the story sending?
No, before I tried to send him to Nepal a couple of times last 2 years, because in the UK he wins games from difficult situations. Not many people can do that. And my brother, who coaches him, my brother's got a very good eye for a player, and he said this guy is a proper player. He's got a great attitude, and he's playing really well. So, and then actually these guys already scouted him, and I got a message from the owner saying, what about Ethan Brooks? And obviously I'm already thinking he's a very good player and he's got a chance to play franchise leagues in the future. So yeah, I said of course, but great work from these guys to scout him already beforehand. But yeah, I was always going to recommend him because he's not a big name, but he's a good player.